Hi, I'm Chris Long with Go Fish Digital, and today we're going to talk about 3 AI updates that are launching in Google search engine. And the first and the most major one is what they're calling generative AI, and Google launched this at their Google I/O conference, and what they're showing is that when a user makes a certain query, an AI-powered snapshot actually can appear in the search results. So they show an example of it here. Here they search for good bike for a 5-mile commute with hills. And here you see that AI generated snapshot that pulls in an answer from a large language model. So we're encouraging website owners to really look out for these types of queries as they start launching. How does it impact your click-through rate? What other types of queries does Google suggest? And really taking a look at how these queries are impacting any given search result queries. So now let's talk about how Google actually attributes sites in these AI-powered snapshots for generative AI. So in this example, you can actually see that here are 3 different websites that Google is referencing. And I think it's going to be really important for website owners to really take note of the different elements Google's pulling in. You can see these are very image heavy, so it seems that a high quality image might be a requirement for Google to feel comfortable enough showing this in this more image heavy type of result. As well, we can see that certain text is pulled in here. I think website owners will really want to analyze, is this getting pulled from the title tag? Is it getting pulled from the H1? And how does it tie back to the original query? And if we can identify queries that respond with generative AI answers, then we can go back and ensure that things like titles and H1s are well optimized to really maximize your site's ability to be able to appear in these AI-powered snapshots. The final feature that we want to talk about is what's called perspectives. This is Google's attempt at bringing really more human-centric content directly into the search experience. So here you can see an example of perspectives in action. Similar to maps, or images will appear as a separate tab that you can click for a given query. And here you can see that short form videos, social posts from Reddit and Quora, and other images appear. Now, this appears to be Google's way of really differentiating their platform from tools like ChatGPT that don't have a more humanized experience. As well, it also might be a play to really cut into market share from players such as TikTok by really trying to emphasize platforms such as YouTube Shorts. So we recommend that site owners take a wait and see approach here. Is there data to support, or does data come to Search Console that helps you measure this and really see how many users are interacting with this feature? Then from there you can make a data-formed decision and say, hey, do we need to build out our YouTube short strategy or our social strategy to really maximize our chances of being visible in the Perspectives tab?